Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, in this particular part of the tutorial, we're gonna understand how to install Node and how to install NPM. Well, both comes along with each other. So when you install Node, you also get NPM along with it. NPM is Node Package Manager. It helps you to install various packages, various tools that you will be needing while you're developing an application, web application. All right, so let's get started. This is the website of nodejs.org. Let's see how do they recommend us to download. So Node to download, it's very simple. Just go here, look out for your particular file that would be suiting your system. For example, Windows installer, that's what I'm gonna use, 64-bit. I already have this installed, but if you want to install, you just click on it, it gets downloaded, you open the file, run it, and it is installed. The next step that you need to do after installing this particular file on your system is, let's visit the docs and see what Node says. So Node, this will basically get you the latest version of Node installed on your computer. All right, and so what we will be needing is Node Package Manager. Let's see how to install Node Package Manager. All right, let's open command prompt, and that's what I'm opening, cmd, and now let's look out for Node. Which version do I have of Node? You can check by Node space -v using this particular code. You can find out. So I am having Node 6.1.10.2. all right, so that's almost the latest. I'm using this particular one because there's also 7 available, but I'm using this particular one because of some dependencies I have of my existing projects, and that is why I'm using this particular one. And now we need to install the latest version of NPM. So let's see how is that done. So here on npmjs.com you can find out how to install, and here it is, npm install npm latest. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is npm install npm at latest -g. -g stands for globally. It will be installed in my PC. I can access it from any file folder. npm at latest helps you to install the latest version. I already have npm installed. Still, I'll run this so that the latest version is installed of npm. npm keeps updating. Node keeps updating npm often, so it doesn't harm you to keep installing again and again every few days or so if you want. And let's see how is that done. npm install npm at latest -g. Try it on your PC. For other, if you're a Mac user, Linux user, you'll find how to do that in this particular file. There's a video on it particularly which explains how you can do that. All right, and let's see, it's gonna take some time. All right, and in the meantime, let's talk more about our project. All right, the project that we are doing to learn web development as a whole, web development using main stack and Angular, latest version of Angular. So this npm particularly, we are installing Node. We installed Node only because we needed npm as of now. We will be needing Node at a later stage in our development, but we needed npm right away to install various things. For example, Angular. You can install Angular using NPM. You can install Angular CLI using NPM. You can install many other things using NPM. So that is the reason we install NPM in the very first tutorial, in the very first part of the tutorial. All right, so here you can see a few other things, right? So there is fixing NPM permissions, installing NPM packages locally. So this is how we are going to make use of NPM, right? NPM, the syntax goes like this: NPM install and your package name. So if you're installing Angular, it's gonna be NPM install Angular, right? You can see an example here: NPM install loadlash, and many more things. Okay, all right, so that is how you are going to use NPM using a package.json. Let's see, what is this particular syntax, this particular piece of code. It can be used to create your package.json. So all you gotta do is npm init, and it will ask you a few questions which you can respond to, and that will help you to create your package.json file without writing every piece of code like this. It will ask you the name, you just have to fill in the details, and your package.json will be ready. Package.json is an important file in your Angular project, in your web on your web application. So it's an important project, important file on your web application, and NPM allows you to create that very easily with this one line of code. And this, all right, so before moving on, let's see if this has been successfully installed or not. Any errors through it? No. All right, so we installed npm at latest -g for global, and it installed latest version of npm without any problem. Npm at 4.6.1, right? That's the latest version, 4.6.1. all right, so that is how you install npm and node. Both are installed on your PC, and in the next tutorial we'll be looking at other things that we need to install using this npm. This very npm will be used to install Angular, used to install Mongo, used to install other things if you want, and we'll see what all we need for our application. All right, so Vinit here signing off. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.